seemed to clear. Through laughter and tears, we'd find our way. Every night, every morning, I choose to stay.